In my previous video, I have described the Excel formatting of font, alignment and number present in Home tab. Today I will discuss about the conditional formatting which is present in Home tab. Home tab. What is conditional formatting? This makes it easy to highlight certain values or make particular cells easy to identify. It changes the appearance of a cell range based on the certain condition of criteria. We can use conditional formatting to highlight cells that contain certain values which meet a certain condition. There are certain rules present in conditional formatting tab. They are highlight cell rule, top bottom rules, data bars, color scale, icon sets and clear rule. I have some data of number, text, date, number, etc. Now select the numbers from this column, click on the conditional formatting and select the highlight cell rule. From this highlight cell rule, we can select the required criteria, that is greater than, less than, between, equal to, text that contains a date containing and duplicate values. So similarly, by selecting these numbers from this column, click on conditional formatting, then click on highlight cell rule and next on greater than. In this greater than, a dialog box appears. Here we have to give some criteria. Suppose I want greater than 500 numbers. By selecting the colors, that is light, red, fill, dark, or I can change the color from the required color from this combo box. Suppose I select yellow fill with dark text. By selecting that color and press OK, you see the greater than numbers which are more than 500 are highlighted. Similarly, less than. Next one is less than. Then before this, we have to clear the formatting. Clicking on the conditional formatting and click on the clear rules. Here are the two options: clear rules from the selected cell and clear rules from the entire cell. Now I have to clear the only selected cells. So clicking on this clear cell from this selected cell, all the format clears. Again I will select these numbers, click on conditional formatting, then highlight cell rule and select the criteria less than. Less than is I want the number which is less than 500, and clicking on simply OK, you see the numbers which are less than 5 are highlighted. In this way we can highlight the numbers by giving the certain criteria. Next one, again clear the format, clear the rules and clear the rule from the selected cell. Again next one is between. Between means there is the criteria in between the two numbers. I want between 300 and 800. Simply clicking OK, you see the numbers which is between 300 and 800 are highlighted. Then clear the rule. For next criteria, clear rules from the selected row. Again clear again click on the numbers, select all the numbers, click on this highlight rule cell and equal to the numbers which are equal to 500 I want to highlight. By giving the criteria here, it is 500. You see the 500 colors is highlighted. Similarly, by condition formatting, between equal to I want it is 600 and color should be yellow. You see the 600 number is highlighted with yellow color. In this way we can give the number by selecting the criteria between, greater than, less than, equal to, and text that contains, and date numbering. By selecting this one, selecting this column, click on the conditional formatting and highlight cell rule, and text that contents. Suppose I want the Delhi to be highlighted, DELHI, Delhi to be highlighted with green color, green fill. By selecting this number from this combo box and click OK, you see Delhi text is highlighted with the green color. In this way, I can highlight the numbers by date occurring. Simply select the dates from this column, click on the conditional formatting, then click on highlight cell rule and click on a date occurring. Here yesterday or in last 7 weeks, you see the last 7 weeks numbers date as highlighted. In this way, by selecting the required colors from the dialog box, we can change the required color of the cells by giving the certain criteria, that is greater than, less than, between, equal to, text, and in this way. For duplicate value, you see first select these numbers and click on the conditional formatting bar, then click on cell rule and duplicate value. Here the duplicate value should be filled with light red fill color. You see the duplicates numbers are highlighted. 100, 200, 300, 500, these numbers are duplicate. Hence the duplicate numbers are highlighted. In this way, the first highlighted cell rule is by highlighted cell rules, we can, by giving the criteria, we can highlight the cells by different colors. Next one is top bottom rules. In this section, the top 10 items, top 10 percentage, bottom 10 items, bottom 10 percentage, average, above average, below average numbers can be highlighted in this way. Before that, we have to clear the formats from these cells. By selecting conditional formatting and clear rules from the selected cell, the total format has been removed. Now select these numbers, click on the format cell and top bottom rules for top 10 items. Top 10 items, that means all the 10 items are top. Next one is top 10 numbers. Before that, we have to clear the format. Simply click on the clear rules and clear rules from the selected cells. The formatting has been cleared. Again, by clicking on the bottom 10 numbers, suppose we select here 5 numbers which are bottom, can be highlighted in this way. Next one is data bar. Data bar. We can change the gradient fill color by changing the gradient fill color by selecting the option from this list. Let us see. First clear the format. From the clear rule. Now selecting the numbers, first select these numbers, then click on the conditional formatting, then data bars. From this data bar, the gradient fill color can be changed. You see, in this way the color has been changed. In this way we can change the color. You see, it is changing. Similarly, for solid fill, we can change this way, from this way, In this way we can change. As per required options, we can change the color. This is data bar. Next one is color scale. In this color scale, we can select the colors of different colors. From this criteria we can change the numbers, a color of the cell. You see, in this way it changes. By selecting the type, we can change the color of the cells according to the number. But if I want to change the color, you see, by selecting this text from this column, simply click on the format cell and color scale, you see no color changes. That means there is no variation in this text. The variation in number is in only these cells. By selecting this one, we can change the number in this way. Color scale. Next one is icon sets. Next one is icon set. In this section, we can change the different icons, directional icons, shapes, indicators, rating, etc. we can add. By selecting these numbers and click on the conditional formatting and select on icon set. First set, this one changes directional. In this way we can change the icon sets. You see, in this way it works. Similarly, shape, this shape changes, indicator, this one indicators, then rating, this one, in this way it can change. You see, this works. In this way it works. Icon sets. Now last one is clear rules. I have already shown you that is clear rules. In this section there are two options: clear rules from selected cells and clear rules from entire sheet. So first of all, I will select these numbers where I want to remove or clear the formatting. By selecting this, you simply select clear rules and clear rules from the selected cell by clicking all the formats removed. That's all about the conditional formatting. Hope you enjoy this video. If this video is useful for you, then please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my new video notification. Thank you. Have a nice day.